What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak the new iOS 12.1.4. And I'm doing this on my iPhone 6s, but it works on any iOS 12 device, including iPads and such. So if you got any device running any version of iOS 12, then it is supported. And as you can see, I'm not jailbroken. Now, what you do is, on your iOS device, you are simply going to open up your Safari browser. The great thing about this jailbreak is that it requires no computer. And anyway, from your iOS device, go to Safari and then this address here. jailbreak12.com. And they will tell you how this works. They will tell you that you can't install Cydia on a device that is not jailbroken, because it's not an Apple approved app. But you can of course install apps that are approved by Apple. So they simply inject code and hide the jailbroken Cydia inside of an approved application. In other words, you get an application that is approved and you can install it, and when you start this app, then the jailbreak and Cydia will start in the background. So go to this site, jailbreak12.com, and scroll to the bottom, and then click on this little icon down here to get to the free jailbreak injected apps store. And yes, all of the apps, all the jailbreak injected apps are of course 100% free. Now here we are going to look for apps. Just gonna pick an app. All of the apps are of course 100% free, and they do get patched from time to time. So if it doesn't work on the first try, then you simply need to try another app, because that app has been patched. But like I said, they are all, of course, 100% free, so you get nothing to lose. And now the jailbreak injected app is being installed. And now we need to start this app and keep it running for about 30 seconds or so to give the jailbreak time to install in the background. If nothing happens within about 30 seconds or so, then it means that the app has been patched. But no worries, they add new apps, new jailbreak injected apps every day. So now you don't really need to do anything in this app. The important thing is that you keep this app running, because right now the jailbreak, hopefully, unless this app has been patched of course, but right now hopefully the jailbreak and Cydia is being installed in the background. And you will notice when it works, because your phone will respring. Like so. That's a good sign. And yeah, I know I don't have a SIM card. Success. There's Cydia. And that's how easy it is to jailbreak the new iOS 12.1.4. And as always, you know the drill with a comment and subscribing and all that. You will be doing yourself a huge favor if you do so. And you will make me very happy. So win-win. When you start Cydia the first time, you're going to want to upgrade all the sources there. But yeah, then you're good to go. So, like I said, please do comment, rate, and subscribe, and I would be very happy to know how this jailbreak worked for you. So, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, whatever, just want to praise me, well, I'll see you down in the comment section below. Have a good one, and thank you for watching. Bye.